Hello and welcome back.
In today's video, we'll find out how we can install Steam in Windows OS, from where we can browse and download games for free. Its multi-platform setup is also available for Linux and Apple OS system. Here's how you can find and download it. Open your browser and search for Steam. From the top list, you can find store.steampower.com website. Click on it and you will find the website. Inside you can find featured and recommended games that you can browse. On the top on the right side you will find the green button Install Steam. Click on it. Now you can see there is another button Install Steam for Windows. You can click on it and save it in a folder. Opening the Steam setup and starting installation. Click Next. Now choose from any language you wish to use in Steam, using default language English, and then Next. This is destination folder where Steam is installed. For any reason you may change or leave as it is, and you can see that Steam installation is quick. Running the setup. The setup is now auto updating, which will take some time as it is downloading the data. After extraction of data, Steam setup will open. Here if you find this error, do not worry, choose the option close the program. Hidden behind there are two options, create a new account and log into an existing account. If the same window pops up again, just choose the same option, close the program, then it should not come again. As in my case, you can create your account if you are not created or log into an existing account. As I have already created my account, entering my account name and password, you can see that I have successfully logged in. Now you can easily browse through this app store and see the featured and recommended games. Here you can browse the games that you are looking for, either free to play or you can buy. Here you can browse from featured and recommended games, browse games from new releases, specials, free games by user tags. You can also search new and trending top sellers, popular upcoming and specials. Here are some free to play games that you can also download. You can click and watch its trailer, its system requirements, and if you like you can download. After clicking on it I can see the trailer, download game for free, or buy to get some extra features with percentage discount. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, I will be back with more such interesting videos.